Hi traders, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we are going to be diving into a powerful tool that can give you a huge edge in the Forex market, and that is Forex institutional candles. Okay, pay close attention. Now, these are the big significant candlesticks that can signal major moves in the forex markets. Okay, so if you're serious about improving your forex trading, understanding and spotting these institutional candles is essential. All right, in this video we're just going to be covering exactly what forex institutional candles are, why they matter, and how to use them to spot market reversals and trends. So let us just quickly get started. Let's first break down what we mean by Forex institutional candles. Now, these candles are large candlesticks that usually reflect the actions of big players in the market, such as financial institutions, banks, hedge funds, and other market makers. These are the entities that move large amounts of capital, and their influence on the market is significant. Now, a forex institutional candle typically has a long body, showing a strong price movement in one direction, and may also have larger than usual wicks. Now, these candles are significant because they often mark the beginning of a new trend, all right? A strong reversal or even a point of consolidation. Now, the key takeaway here is that institutional candles can show where the big money is flowing. And as retail traders, we want to pay close attention to these moves to align our trades with the smart money. All right? So why are these candles so important in Forex trading? Right? The main reason is that institutional traders move the market. Okay? Now they control vast amounts of capital, and when they make moves, it causes significant price action. Retail traders like us often follow these big players. Okay? And the Forex institutional candles give us clues about where the market is likely headed next. Now, by identifying these candles, we can align our trades with the market's true direction. All right? Imagine being able to spot a trend early, knowing that institutional players are involved in that move. Okay? It gives you an edge and the ability to make more informed decisions. Now that we understand why these candles are important, let's just quickly talk about how to actually spot them. Okay, so the first step is to look for large candles with long bodies. All right, so just you can just go to your chart, just find large candles with long bodies. For example, this is a large candle with a long body. This is a large candle with a long body. All right, okay, so the first thing you notice with institutional candles is that they have large bodies. Okay, a long body means that the price moved significantly during the time period represented by the candle. Now, you look for candles that are much larger than the surrounding ones. For example, you can see this, this one is much larger than both, right? In fact, much larger than all the candles within this zone, right? Like individually, okay? Especially ones in the context of the current market trend. You can see this is currently a bearish trend, right? All right. Then you can check for bigger wicks. Many institutional candles also have larger wicks, okay? Many have, okay? But this indicates that the price tried to move in the opposite direction but was rejected. All right. Now, this indicates that the price tried to move the opposite direction, okay? And it also shows that there was strong buying or selling pressure. Now, these candles are often seen at key levels, right? Like support or resistance, or in the middle of a trend, right? Or in the middle of a trend, as you can see here, right? Signifying a reversal. Now you can also look for unusual volume. So I'm just going to be adding the volumes indicator to the chart. Okay, look for unusual volumes. So volume is another critical factor. While not always available on every chart, you want to look for candles that have higher volume. Can you notice something within this place? You can see how this particular candle has quite a high volume compared with the other volumes. You can see a spike, right? So you want to consider volume. Candles that have higher volume, they're important, right? And higher volume than the typical trading session. Okay, now this can show that institutional activity was behind the move. If you are trading on a platform where volume data is available, check for candles with unusually high volume, as it increases the probability that institutional players are behind the move. Okay, now the next is context. All right, context is key. Okay, context is actually key. So when spotting these candles, always pay attention to the context. Where is the candle appearing on the chart? Is it near a major support or resistance level? Is it breaking through a significant price action, price point rather? And the more confluence there is, the stronger the signal. So by learning to recognize these patterns, you'll start to notice institutional candles showing up in key areas of the market, and you'll be able to act accordingly. All right. Now that you know how to spot these candles, let's talk about how you can actually use them in your trading. The first is entry points. Now, once you spot a Forex institutional candle, it's time to think about entering the trade. If it's a large bullish candle in a downtrend, it could signal a reversal or a shift in momentum. Okay, you could enter after the candle closes, right, or you could wait for a pullback to a key level, such as the previous support or resistance, right? Like in this case, now you can see that we actually had a downward move after we had this large candle form. Okay, so you can actually enter after the candle closes, right? Enter after the candle closes, or you can just wait for a brief pullback, right? So perhaps you have entered somewhere around here, or you have entered somewhere around here, and then you have just reading the price, reading the bullish move to the next resistance. Okay. So if the institutional candle is part of a strong trend, it may indicate that the trend will continue, like in this scenario, and you can enter with the trend looking for a continuation, perhaps entering just after the close or after a brief pullback. All right. And then in terms of stop loss placement, protecting your trade is crucial. A good rule of thumb is to place your stop loss just below the low. That's for a bullish candle, or above the high for a bearish candle of the institutional candle. Now, this keeps your risks to a minimum while giving the trade enough room to move. As for target areas, look for previous areas of support or resistance. All right, support or resistance. These are areas where the price has reversed before, and they can act as reasonable targets for your trade. You want to ensure that your targets are within a realistic range. Okay, so you don't get caught off guard if the price stalls at a key level. And then finally, combining other indicators is important. While Forex institutional candles are powerful on their own, combining them with other technical indicators can increase your trade's success rates. For example, using trend indicators like moving average, all right, I'm just going to add moving average to the chart, or RSI. You can also pay attention to RSI, information from the relative strength index. Okay, so using these indicators can actually help to confirm that the institutional candle aligns with the current market conditions. Okay, so by combining the power of these candles with other tools in your arsenal, you can get a more complete picture of the market and make more informed decisions. Before we finish, here are a few quick tips to maximize your success with Forex institutional candles. The first is to practice on a demo account. All right, if you are new to this concept, spend some time. All right, spend some time identifying institutional candles on a demo account before applying them to live trades. All right, now secondly, look for patterns. Watch for recurring patterns with these candles, as they tend to show up at similar levels or after similar market conditions. And finally, be patient. institutional candles don't happen every day, all right? It doesn't happen every day. So be patient and wait for the right setups, okay? Quality over quantity. Now that's a wrap on Forex institutional candles. These big, powerful candles can give you an edge in the markets if you know how to spot them and trade them properly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. Let me know in the comments if you've used Forex institutional candles before or if you're just starting to explore them. I would love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading.